Hi there, and welcome to the Salted Pepper, where we cook for real life using real food and we keep it real simple. But today, I'm not going to be cooking anything. This video is solely for me to wish you a happy holiday season and to thank you so much for an incredible year of your support, best wishes, and I've loved getting to know you guys through all the comments, our Facebook groups, and private messages and emails. It has been hands down the best year of my life, and I owe that all to you guys. Now, a lot of you have asked about behind the scenes and, want to know who Jeff is and who's behind the camera and how does it all work. And I think that we'll get into that in a video down the road. But for right now, I definitely wanted to introduce you to my better half, the genius behind the camera, the guy that does my editing, and the person that I share my life with and love beyond words. Jeff?
Got a little something for you here. And this has been a great year. We've learned a lot about video. I mean, this is what I used to do for a living, but we've just really perfected our 4-camera shoot. We'll probably learn more things and acquire more equipment in 2020 and just make things a little bit better. But making things better and making things easier, that's what it's all about. So I want to present this with you, to you.
Well, thank you. I get a gift. All right. What is it? What do you think? I don't know. I really don't know, except I see some candy. Jelly beans.
That came with it.
Jelly beans came with it. That's interesting. All right, let's see what it is. I bet it's cooking related if he's having me open it up on this video. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So I have wanted one of these thermometers. I know, I get really excited about the silliest things, but this is a Thermapen MK4. This is the state-of-the-art, top-of-the-line thermometer, and I was too cheap to buy it. Thank you.
Black Friday sale.
Oh, a sale! That's even better, because they are pretty expensive. But they are apparently the most accurate thermometers. So I will now have an orange thermometer to test all the temperatures with. Thank you so much, my dear. I'm excited about that. So anyway, thank you guys again for an incredible year. We look forward to spending 2020 with you as well. I've got some great recipes coming up in the new year, including those 360 meals that everybody loves, and they take a lot of time to get right, but you know what? I've been working on them for about 2 months now, and I've got several lined up to go, and we'll be putting those out in the beginning of, probably the middle to the end of January. We'll have those out for you. And of course, if you have any recipe requests, leave me a comment below and let me know. I'm always happy to hear from you, and I love to put things together that you want to see. I'm cooking for you. I want the recipes to be ones that you love. So happy holidays and a happy new year from me and Jeff and the Salted Pepper. That's who we are, right? Love you all. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.